try to stop my wave.
And you come into this situation not knowing each other, but you leave with lifelong friends. It's just been it's an amazing opportunity to expand your sisterhood.
I just want the vibe. Let me be. D&D. Drinks on me. I just want the vibe.
Not celebrating anything particularly, but I think, you know, when you can travel in luxury, you just celebrate life. And the fact that we all want to soft live, you know, we want to make sure we're living our best life, and this is an opportunity to do that.
No damage today. No damage today.
My favorite part about traveling is just seeing a different country, eating some different food, and just meeting a lot of nice people. And that has been my experience here in Seychelles.
Please don't come try to stop my wave. I don't want no problems today. Please don't come stop my wave.
We come from different parts of the world, but we all have something in common. That's the love of travel.